This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your IP address on Messenger calls using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Messenger app. To hide your IP address in calls, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the menu button. You want to tap on Menu. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then you'll go down to where it says Privacy and Safety and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then you'll scroll all the way down toward the bottom, and at the very bottom there's an Advanced section, and it says Protect IP Address in Calls. It says it hides your IP address from other participants in calls. I'm going to tap on that. Protect IP Address in Calls. There's a toggle right here. Down below that, it says to make it harder for people to infer your location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through Meta servers. This will reduce call quality. To toggle it on, you would toggle this on right up here. By default, it's probably not toggled on, but that is how to protect your IP address in calls on Messenger. Thanks for watching.